Give me Rocky. Wake up!
Amaze, amaze, amaze.
Do you have the big one?
No, that's the only one I could find.
Is that off?
Mm-hmm.
Good morning! May amor na ba na Latbi? So, binilan ako ni Ratbo ng... Kilala niyo to? Yung palabas, si Rocky. It's cute, no? It's very cute. Where's the front there? I think that's the front, or... She got 5 hands.
Yeah, 5 arms.
5, yep. Different shape. No? Give me my pandesal. Pang merenda. So, where did you bought this, Winston? Have you seen the Filipino shop
Which one?
near to your office?
Yes.
They're open?
It's been open for like a year.
Ah, okay, you asked.
I asked the guy I work with. He said, yeah, it's been there for nearly a year.
Ah, okay.
I've never seen it. It's really obvious.
I think because it's
It's
just
It's small.
train. Yeah. So, may amor, nahuba na Latbi. Binilan ako ni Ratbo ng pandesal. Pero mamaya ko na siya kakainin. Lalagyan ko ng pansit canton. Binili niya daw to sa Filipino convenience store. Tinapay. Tapos ito, si Rocky. Yung palabas na Hail Mary. So cute. So, kaya ako nakadamit na kasi pupuntahan kami ni Ratbo. Pupunta kami sa magpapa-member kami sa Coach Benji. Magpapa-member kami sa gym kasi nakita niyo yung gym namin here. Nakita niyo. Gusto ko kasi meron kaming machine kaso nga lang walang machine. Medyo kasi pag walang machine. Gusto ko kasi may machine kapag nag-gym. So, magpapa-member kami ni Ratbo na gym. Good morning. Hi, ate. Hi, Janet. Ganda naman ang hawak mo. Ano siya? Sa Hail Mary. Si Rocky. Diba yung toy? Napanood niyo ba yung Hail Mary? Kape na may amor. Late namin nagising kasi. Just try. We go na ba? Sige na may amor. Very quick live lang. Alis kami ni Ratbo. Punta kami ng member kami ng Gymalibility. Buti nga hindi maulan ngayon eh. Pakita ko sa inyo yung... So, ito kasi yung setup ng gym namin here. So, as you see, we just only have the bench and we only have the dumbbell tsaka yung mga other equipment, which is very enough to do such thing. Lalo na kapag may dumbbell ka, mas Pero, siguro, mas gusto kong mag-gym kasi mas nasanay ako na may machine. Kaya, we are going. Then, I'm gonna wear this one. Just start to try. Kabog. Welcome to the final show. Hope you... Grabe yung pandesal nila dito, ti. Lalaki. Di man lang sila malunggay pandesal. Malambot siya. Lagyan ko siya ng mamaya. Shout out! Sige na, may amor. We need to go. Love you all. Bye-bye. 5 minutes live lang kasi we're going na. Nagbihis ako pero ako naligo.